नावेले सुमार 667 आर्मीमॅनांनी विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत मतदान केले. त्याचप्रमाणे फोंड्या आर्मीमॅनांनी वेंचणुकेक सर्जिकल स्ट्रायक केलो. फोंड्यात 345 आर्मी मतदार आसात. फोंड्याच्या वार्ड 13त वट्ट मतदार 1098. त्या वॉर्डात 345 मतदार आर्मीमॅन. 345तले 219 आर्मीमॅन नवे मतदार. त्या आर्मीमॅनांनी स्वता जावन मतदार वळेरेंत नाव घालूंक अर्ज केला. आर्मीच्या इलेक्शन सेलांतल्यान सगळे सोपस्कार जातात. आर्मीमॅनांचे केशींत बीएलओक व्हेरिफिकेशन करपाक दिनात. फोंडेचे बीएलओक व्हेरिफिकेशन करिनासतना कार्डां दिवची पडली. नावेली 667 नवे आर्मी मतदार जाल्ले. ते एकतर वेंचणूक तोंडार आसतना जाल्ले. वेंचणूक आयोगाच्या नव्या मतदारा खातीर काडिल्ल्या अतिरिक्त लिस्टात तांचीच नांवां आसात. तांच्या खातीरूच हे एडिशनल वोटर्स लिस्ट काडिल्ल्या भशेन दिसता. मिलिटरी मॅनांचे नाव मतदार लिस्टात घालपाक चूक कांयच ना. सगळे कायद्याक धरून म्हणून दक्षिण गोंयचो जिल्लोधिकारी उलयता.
From what I have gathered, the AROs, the concerned AROs are the deciding authorities there. It doesn't come to me. And only as appellate authority I am there. But what I am aware is that all the required mandatory statutory provisions were met with. So there is a procedure for the service voters. When they are applying, all the applications have to come to us through a nodal officer, which is appointed by the army. So that nodal officer is sending us the form only on certifying that he has fulfilled the criteria of whatever 6 months residence in that area. Then that is coming. Further, the BLOs have gone and checked also. There are new cadets like 18, 19. Those people have given undertakings that they have not been enrolled as voters, which we have accepted. 18, 20 new cadets. But those who have been enrolled otherwise have given their places of old epic cards. And they have also applied for cancellation of those cards in Form 7. Only after getting a confirmation that a name is elected in that name, we have included it here. So it was an elaborate process as for any other voter.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लोकेश शिलकार आणि सावयो डायस.